Stress can be very difficult on the body. Enough stress can cause functions to malfunction, and we need to release that tension that we feel so that it does not destroy us. One way that you can cope is by, if you find yourself in a situation where you're feeling a lot of tension, you can hold your own hand, support one hand with the other. Take your thumb and hold into the middle like this. And the pressure is gentle but firm. You're holding it and you're just breathing. Breathe in and out. And you release and you return. Breathe in, out. And you wipe 3 times. So if you remember nothing else of this video when you are in a difficult situation, remember that. This spot right here can help release the tension that is building. Okay. Now I'm going to do a small sequence that you can do for yourself to bring the level of stress down in your body. On this little dish, it's a shallow dish, so my hand can go in and out without having to reach in. And that's what you need. We'll take some oil and rub it on our hands. When your hands are covered with oil, not too much, but enough so that they are a bit slippery. We've rolled our towel, so the bottom is smaller and the top is larger, and there is a divot in the middle, so that we can rest our wrist on the bottom and the heel of our hand in the divot. And in the back of our hand, the fingers go over the top, and we'll support our hand. First hand will be supported by the second hand, like so. And we're going to begin by taking our thumb and putting it in the center. We breathe in and breathe out. And lift off. And return. Breathe in and out. And we wipe 3 times. We'll do the same for the other hand. Thumb down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Thumb off. Thumb return. Breathe in. Breathe out. And wipe. 1, 2, turn to the first hand. The motion of walking by bending our knuckle of our thumb. We're going to start at the base of our hand and we're going to walk all the way up to the tip. And then we slide down, move over, walk up, all the way to the tip, and we slide down, move over, walk all the way to the tip, and slide down, move over, walk all the way to the tip, and slide down. And for walking up our thumb, we're going to use our finger all the way to the top and slide down. And we wipe our hand 3 times. Hands. Using our thumb and starting at the base, we'll walk up the tip and slide down. Move over, walk up, slide down. Move over, walk up, and slide down. Over, up, slide down. Fingers, walk up, and slide down. And 1, 2, 3. Now we return to the first hand, about where the crease is. We're going to walk across with our thumb 3 times. Slide back, walk up, and slide back 1 more time. Slide back. Wipe that out. The second hand. And we walk across, slide back, walk across, slide back. 1 more. And wipe. 1, 2, 3. With the second hand supporting the first, we're going to focus on the area just above this crease on our fingers. We'll do nice little double circles, like so. That's what it looks like. So we'll do 3 of those and we'll count together. 1, 2, 3. And now we hold 2, 3. And we wipe 1, 2, 3. Next finger. 1, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3. And wipe 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3. And wipe 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3. And wipe 1, 2, 3. Wipe 1, 2, 3. Let's switch hands. With the first hand supporting the second, we bring our thumb in just above the crease, and we're going to do 3 double circles. 1, 2, 3. And we hold 2, 3. And we wipe 1, 2, 3. Next finger. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 2, 3. And wipe. 1, 2, 3. Next. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Wipe. 1, 2, 3. Next. Hold. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Wipe. 1, 2, 3. 3. Now we return to the first hand. There's an area here. This is the spine between this joint and this joint. This reflex represents the spine. We're going to use our thumb and walk up. It's about 7 little steps. Slide down, walk up, slide down. One more time. And slide down and wipe. 1, 2, 3. And the same thing. We're focusing on this area. 7 little steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And slide down. And walk up. 2, 5, 6, 7. Walk down. And repeat. 2, and down. And 1, 2, 3. Returning to the first hand. Turning our hand over. We're going to wipe clean 1 from the base to the top between. 1, 2, 3. Move over. 1, 2, 3. Move over. 1, 2, 3. And second hand. 1, 2, 3. Next finger. 1, 2, 3. Next finger. 1, 2, 3. And wipe. 1, 2, 3. Your hands are aching. You can squeeze them in and stretch them out. Wonderful. We're going to focus on this reflex. We're going to do 3 little circles. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 2, 3. Release and wipe. 1, 2, 3. The other thumb. We hold here and do 3 little circles. 1, 2, 3. And now we hold. 2, 3. Release and wipe. 1, 2, 3. Let's return to the first position. We bring our thumb down. Nice, deep cleansing breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lift the thumb. Return the thumb. Breathe in. Breathe out. And now wipe. 1, 2, 3. Thumb down on the opposite hand. Nice big breath in. And out. Lift. And return. Breathe in. And out. And wipe. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for joining me for this workshop in calm. I'm returning to calm. If it helps you, comment below and let me know. Thank you. I wish you well.